Independence Day. India gained freedom from British rule on 15th August 1947. This was a day of great joy for all Indians. Every year, on August 15, we celebrate Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated every year in our school too. After the flag hosting and the singing of national anthem, there is a grand parade. The scouts and guides march past the unfurled national flag and salute it. The principal, a few teachers and guests, and some students give speeches. On this day, we remember the national leaders who fought for our freedom. Many of them even laid down their lives for the nation. On this day, we pay tribute to these martyrs.